In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design grunge posters in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser or app and make sure you're logged in to your account. On the homepage, look for the button that says Create a Design. This is usually at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. A search bar and a list of design sizes will appear. In that search bar, type in poster. Canva will show you several poster formats, but for most purposes, the standard poster size works really well. When you see the option simply labeled poster, click on it. Canva will open a new blank canvas in a separate tab or window, and this is where you'll build your grunge design. Once your blank poster opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu. Click on the option labeled Templates. This will bring up a huge library of ready-made poster designs that you can use as a starting point. Let the thumbnails load for a moment, and then scroll through to see what catches your eye. You can either select a template that already feels close to the grunge style you want, or just choose a simple layout that has a good structure for your text and images. To select one, hover over it and click once. It will automatically apply to your blank poster. Remember, you can change every part of this template later, so don't worry if the colors or fonts aren't grungy yet. If you'd rather have complete creative control, you can skip templates entirely and create your own layout from scratch. In that case, you can start by adding a background color or image, then place your text and other elements manually. Both approaches work. Using a template is faster, while building your own from a blank canvas gives you more freedom. Now it's time to bring in the grunge. Go back to the menu on the left and click on Elements. You'll see a search bar at the top of this panel. Type in the word grunge and hit enter. Canva will show you a collection of textures, overlays, brushstrokes, torn paper edges, and other distressed graphics. Browse through these elements and start adding anything that fits the mood you're going for. Click on an element to place it on your poster, then resize, rotate, and layer it to create that rough, imperfect grunge look. You can adjust transparency to make textures more subtle, and combine several elements for a richer, more authentic style. Keep experimenting until your poster feels bold, messy in a good way, and visually striking.